Veruca Salt, the perfect example of an ungrateful child, always wanting more, never satisfied.
You're a rotten mean father. You never give me anything I want.
Her endless craving for material things and getting her way all the time are nurtured by indulgent parents with few, if any, healthy boundaries. The more her parents feed her entitlement, the emptier and lonelier she becomes. Now compare Veruca Salt to Charlie. When given the chance to visit Willy Wonka's magical factory, Charlie's response isn't one of entitlement, but of genuine appreciation. Through respect and humility and his appreciation for the little things, Charlie embodies gratitude in its purest form. Have a movie family night and watch Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory and explore the difference gratitude makes in Charlie's and Veruca's lives. Who seems happier? Why? Discuss with your family and let us know what you conclude in the comments.